Alright, here's the deal. Generative AI is a game changer for businesses, but getting started is tough. Training these large language and vision models is expensive, costs a ton. We're talking thousands of GPUs and millions of dollars. Plus, integrating proprietary data privately and securely is a major concern. With how fast AI evolves, it's hard to know what the right solution is, especially for deploying GenAI on edge devices. We at NXP have a solution for this. As a leading edge AI compute vendor, we're releasing our new EIQ GenAI Flow, a modular and scalable software pipeline that lets you build customized and efficient LLMs at the edge. The key part is our RAG engine, which stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. It lets you customize LLMs with your own data without expensive retraining or sharing proprietary data. Our RAG embedding model creates compact databases stored on the edge device, which can minimize LLM's errors in reasoning and ground its outputs in factuality. It's easy to use. Just put in a PDF and get a database out. It's also resource efficient. Only requires a few dozen megabytes of memory compared to the gigabytes that LLMs consume. Our GenAI Flow can be utilized in various industries, like automotive for e-cockpit infotainment, medical diagnostic and patient monitoring systems, and smart home gateways for voice controls. Using LLMs and RAG together, we already created context-aware AI interfaces on edge devices. So with us, you can effectively leverage generative AI without compromising data security and adapting to the ever-evolving landscape. We're making generative AI at the edge a reality. And the best part, EIQ GenAI Flow is available now. So check it out, nxp.com/LLM.